Hello, class. This is Scott Caruso with my AOC 1211 Week 4 reflection video. I hope everyone else had as good a week this week as I had with the project. I definitely felt this week went better, if for no other reason than I didn't lose an entire night to the election like I did last week. So I was able to budget my time a little bit better. And in fact, I was able to take advantage of my typical schedule, which has me work on videos and introductory stuff for the week on Monday and Tuesday, and then really plow through project stuff on Wednesday, which is exactly what I did this week. I was done Wednesday night, in fact. And I really liked this week because for the first time it felt like I had something that at least resembled an actual application, like everyone else did I'm sure. Obviously, it's not a real application in the sense that it has some actual purpose or some actual utility for a real person. But it actually starts to do things that you could imagine an application would do, whether it be prompting for alerts at the right time or giving you a text input keyboard to log in with, that sort of thing. So it was really cool to see it all come together this week. And that was for me the best part of the whole deal. And like I said, the learning that I pulled from previous weeks and from previous courses is really the budgeting of the time, how it made this week go so much smoother as a result. The one thing that I found that I needed this week that, as far as I recall, was not covered in the videos or in the documentation about the project for this week was dismissing of the keyboard in the text input field once you had brought it up. I eventually went out and found code or Googled and did some research to figure out what method I could call to make the keyboard disappear upon clicking the submit button. But I was unable to get the keyboard to disappear simply by clicking the return button on the keyboard. And though I know how to do it insofar as I saw plenty of resources about it, I couldn't for the life of me figure out how I was supposed to utilize that code, which is definitely something I want to look into more in the future so I can figure out how to actually manipulate those native elements like a keyboard to make them work properly. Excuse me, my glasses are totally crooked. I'm fixing them now. But outside of that, it went great, and I'm really, really excited to get into learning more Objective C, using more Xcode. I'm falling in love with Xcode as a program. It's actually it performs beautifully and does all the things that I would like to do. And it's a really powerful tool. And I can't wait to dig into that more as well and start to build real substantive applications with it. So that was week 4, and that's the end of the month. I hope everyone else had as great a month as I did, and I look forward to working with you all again very soon. Talk to you later. Bye.